Hello friends, welcome back. In today's tutorial video, we'll see how we can show filter summary on a MicroStrategy Dossier page. For example, in this bar graph, when I click on any of the bar like northeast, so the header will show what all elements I have selected. Similarly, when on category chart, when I click on electronics, so the header is showing electronics. When I select multiple like this, so it will show I have selected movies and music. So basically it helps us to see overall what all filters we have applied on that particular page. Similarly, on the bottom filter summary row, you can see what all filters I have applied on the this page. So this is quite helpful. So let's see how we can achieve this. I'll create a new dossier. I'll use MicroStrategy tutorial project dataset to show this. I'll import an Excel file. Let's just revalidate what all data attributes and metrics we have in this. So I have call center, category, month, region, and revenue. Cool. Finish. Let's plot two bar graphs. So one by category and revenue, and another one by region and revenue. I'll just convert to bar. Similarly for this one also bar. Yeah. So let me do some formatting for this. So I'll hide headers. Okay. So to show the filter summary, let me create a few metrics. Duplicated metrics, and I'll modify this one. So I'll name it selected category count. So count of category, and I'll just select distinct count and save. I'll create one more metric, again duplicate as metric, edit it. I'll name it overall category count. Change the function parameter to count distinct, and this time I'll change the level settings. So I'll ignore this category attribute when it is selected. So ignore and no grouping on this. Save. I'll create a comma separated attribute element so that whenever I filter, it shows what all elements I have selected. So again, duplicate as metric, edit it. I'll go to formula bar and clear it, and I'll add. I'll just concat aggregate function. So which attribute? It's category ID. Use lookup, yes, true. Comma separated, I'll leave it like that. I'll name this metric category list. I'll save it. I'll create one more metric which will show the final metric. Create a metric, category filter. I'll go to function editor. I'll use concat. So if my selected category count is less than overall count, then I'll show comma separated list, category list, else I'll show all. Let's validate. Perfect. Save it. So I'll add a visualization where I'll show this filter summary. I'll put it on header of this graph. I'll just convert this to a freeform layout so that it's better. I can reposition all my visualizations freely. Okay, so I'll convert this to KPI. And I'll format this filter a bit, visualization a bit. I don't want to show filter name. I don't want to show header and do, okay. Make it 49.5 width and height. I'll just keep it 5. That's not too big also. And then Y is 6 and just below that 49.5 and height I'll keep 86% because at the bottom I'll add overall filter summary also. Now let's target this visualization, KPI visualization from this one. So select the target visualization and I'll select this one. So whenever I select anything on this bar graph, category bar graph, it will filter out. Let's see how it works. Cool. So when I click on electronic, it is showing electronic. When I select multiple, it is showing comma separated multiple values. When I unselect, so everything comes back to all. Cool. So quickly I'll do it the same for region also. Selected region. Change this to distinct. Okay. Save. And I'll add this one. It's the overall region count. Change function parameter to take distinct count, and I'll change the level setting to add region to be ignored and no aggregation on region. Okay, I'll create a comma separated list for region. I'll name it region list. I'll use concat aggregate function. So it's a region. So let's select region ID, distinct. Oh wait. Oh sorry. Let me reselect. Region. Lookup is true, comma separate, everything remains same. And the final region filter summary. Create a new metric, region filter. I'll go to formula editor, clear, concat region, if condition, if selected region count is less than overall region count, then region list, else all. Let's validate. Cool. Save it. Let me put this also on the Dossier page. Add a new visualization, convert that to KPI. Region list. I'll just format it. And hide title and just change the position of this so that it's on proper place on Dossier page. 50 and height is 5. Cool. I'll just move this also. 50 0 width is 50 and height is 86% of the page, and Y, yep, it's a 6. Okay, let me target the KPI visualization from here. Let's check. So when I click on northeast, it's showing northeast. When I select multiple, it's showing comma separated multiple values. Cool. So this is the individual when we want to show individual filter on each graph. And if we want to show the filter summary, overall filter summary at the bottom of the graph, then let's create one more metric. Create a metric, overall filter summary. I'll go to formula editor, clear. I'll use concat function, comma, category filter, comma. These are just the separator between multiple filters, so that they are separated by all whatever separator you want. And I'll add region filter, comma. Let's validate. Cool. Save it. Let's add one more KPI widget, KPI, and use this overall filter summary this time. Let's format it, hide name, remove title bar. Let's position it at the bottom of the graph. So I'll use 86, it's 0, and y is 86, and width is 100%. I want height is 5. Oh, y is 96, sorry, 96. Or I'll change the height to 10. So that's okay. Or let me do 96, 5, and I'll increase the height of these to 96 so that they are properly placed together. Okay. I think it's going beyond, so let me resize it. Perfect. So let's target this overall filter summary by both the graphs. So I'm targeting this, apply. I'm targeting from region as well, and apply. Let's check this out now. So when I click on electronics, so you can see on top also it is showing category equal to electronics selected, and at the bottom also it is showing category is electronics selected. When I selected multiple movies and music, top also it's showing movie and music, and bottom also. Cool. And on the region, if I select multiple, so on top also it's showing northeast and south, and at the bottom also it shows. And when I unset all the filters, it goes back to all. Cool. Yep, I hope it helps you. It will help definitely in some of the projects. So, yep, thank you. Thanks for watching this video.